Milking.
What you want to buy? Because my plan have go to the CA.
It's okay. I'll just go there.
I'm gonna put it on the reel. Milking dog puppies.
That you still have money?
If you have money, I will give you the money of apartment. If you don't have money.
If you need, come.
The white
If
one's
you have
so fat.
money or you're not no more money.
Not plenty
It's
money
okay.
because this money is ano, giving. Ano that?
Okay, space. The white one.
Flat. Big base.
Walter is coughing. Di ba? Coughing, no?
Yes.
It's
Yeah,
biting it.
Allah.
They're playing na. They're only
Mm.
1 month old.
Hmm.
Like,
1 month na.
just to grow.
Mm.
She's so fat.
Kuya!
Hmm.
Picturean, anuhan mo na ako. Picturean mo na ako.
Hmm.
Bili-bili si Tara
Ah.
ah.
Ano bang kakantahin mo?
This is bigger than that one. This is small than that.
This bigger is just fatter.
Taller.
This bigger.
Yes.
This is just fatter.
Mm.
Okay. Go with the white one.
Just stand up nga. Stand up. Ayun. Ay! Ito namang dalawa.
Oh, yes, it was
Ala!
Alex.
Ala! That's sick. Ano ba yun?
Big na. Became big now. Very healthy.
It's okay, but
Coughing.
leg off. Just
He's
like,
coughing. Ayan. Wow.
kiss me, Sonny.
Why?
What's wrong with that? He's weak, eh. But he's
He's
leaning
tough.
on the...
Yeah, have cup. Coughing.
Look at them. What happened? You see it?
Yeah. Yeah. May mga sakit. Yung mata nila, nagahin.
Hindi mo na kayang sakit ng mga aso ngayon.
Oh.
You don't know how to wash them. So Mama did not that.
Jenny!
Yes.
Nakita mo ba, naalala mo ba yung shampoo ng aso?
Alin yung paliguan sa? Yung maliliit?
No, the big one.
The big one?
You know water switch? The one for walking. Di ba Mom said you know?